Okay, the next question to Hana Imam Sefaat, that's posted by Hana, was editor bagi sebuah work seperti pada persons, families or corporate bodies responsible for creating a New York based on a previously existing work. Now, dia punya huraian dia, dia punya situation dia, kita go back again to the creator. A creator is a person, a family or corporate body responsible for the creation of a work, a karya. Creators include persons, families or corporate bodies jointly responsible for the creation of a work. Now, there are two types of joint responsibility. A, creators who perform the same role. Example as in a collaboration between two writers. B, creators who perform different roles. Example as in a collaboration between a composer and a lyricist. Now, in some cases, the selection, arrangement, editing, etc. of content for a compilation effectively results in the creation of a new work. Now, when this occurs, the person, family or corporate body responsible for compiling the aggregate work may be considered to be the creator of the compilation. So in some cases, the modification of a previously existing work substantially changes the nature of the content or content of the original and results in a new work. That's the point that yang important. When this occurs, the person, family or corporate body responsible for modifying the previously existing work is considered to be the creator of a new work. Okay. So you have that. This is from the instruction, chapter 9. Chapter 19, 2 in terms of the creator, and 19.2.1 shows you the basic instructions on recording creators. So they have the scope, and then you will see corporate bodies considered to be the creators, and this is the same thing as 21.1b2 in ACI. Corporate bodies are considered to be creators when they are responsible for originating, issuing or causing to be issued works that fall into one or more of the following categories. Now look at these categories. A, works on an administrative nature dealing with any of the following aspects of the body itself. Now it's internal policies, procedures, finances and all the operations. Or 2, its officers, staff and or membership, example directories. Or 3, its resources, for example the catalogs or inventories. Now in terms of B, works that record the collective thought of the body, for example reports of commission, committees, official statement of position of external policies, and then the standards. And C, works that record hearings conducted by legislative, judicial, governmental and other corporate bodies. And D, works that report the collective activity of a conference, proceedings, collected papers, or an expedition results, example result of an exploration, investigation. Or 3, an event, an exhibition, fair, festival falling within the definition of a corporate body. So you may have provided that the conference, expedition or event is named in the resource we described. And E, works that result from the collective activity of a performing group as a whole, where the responsibility of the group goes beyond that of a mere performance, education, etc. So cartographic works originating with a corporate body other than a body that is merely responsible for their publication or distribution. And G, legal works of the following types, which are laws of a political jurisdiction. 2, degrees of a head of state, chief executive or ruling executive body. 3, bills and drafts of legislation. 4, which is administrative regulation. 5, constitution, charters, etc. 6, the court rules. And 7, the charges to juries, indictments, court proceedings and court decisions. And 8, name individual works of art by 2 or more artists acting as a corporate body. So there you go, you have the same as, more or less the same as CA, but a bit different. And then you have the 19.2.1.2, which is the government and religious officials, curators, considered to be curators. So you have this one, and you have another one, which is person or families considered to be curators of serial. Families means like person or families, like Kennedy family or Abraham Lincoln's family and so on. Yeah? So you may have that example. So authorized, if you look at this example, you have Stone IF. Now the IF is Isidore Feinstein, authorized access point representing the curator for IF Stone Weekly. It's a newspaper. Stone was also the publisher of that. So his name is in because he is the one. He is representing the curator for this paper, for this weekly. Excuse me. Okay. The other one. What color is your parachute? Now this is an annual publication of Bottle's career advice. Bukan Bottle, Boyle's, yeah? Career advice. So his full name. And you have this authorized access point representing the creator for frontal cortex, a block. This is a block, and he is the person responsible for the block.